So I've created a segment for these security lights. And so now if I want to turn all of the lights off and I want to change and make them specific colors, I can do that here. Just by touching the color wheel, or I could go down here below, and it's only focusing on this first light, and that's what I've told the pattern or the preset to do. So it's only focusing on that first light. So if I wanted to get creative, I could do that. The other thing that we can do here is you can soften the lights in a different way. So you can actually turn on the white channel. There's actually an RGB, so basically 3 channels of color there, and then you've got a white channel. So basically 4 channels of light in these lights that allow you to really manipulate and provide the color that you want. If you look at this color, it kind of looks like a blue, and then it has a gradient down to a white. That's telling me that the white channel is on, and then I got blue. So if I click over here to purple, red, yellow, green, and it's taking again that color from RGB and mixing it with white. If I turn the white channel off, now it's going to go to the true green, teal, etc. as I go through the color wheel.